In this video, you will learn how to change your LLC address in Oklahoma. Go to the Oklahoma Secretary of State website, access the official Oklahoma Secretary of State Business Service portal, and then find the necessary form. Select the correct form. Use the Amendment to Article of Organization form if you're updating your principal office address, or Change of Registered Office form if you're updating your registered agent office. Provide your LLC information. Enter your LLC's legal name, your old address and the new address details you need to be updated. Review the information. Double check all your entries for accuracy before you finalize the full form. File the form and pay the fee. Submit the completed form online, by mail or in person, then pay the applicable state fees. Update all business records. After the state processes your change, update your LLC's address with the banks, IRS, vendors, and any other people you do business with. Now you know how to change your LLC address in Oklahoma. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.